All right, here's another installment of the 12 PC build. Right now we're going to be adding some football material to the top panel. Jack's demonstrating that. We've already laid it out with some paper. Right now we're cutting out the headphone jacks. So we already used the Dremel to kind of punch a little small hole in there so we can start cutting the second hole, as you can see right here. And Jack's going to go ahead and cut out the rest of it with a blade, and we're going to get a little video of that to get it. Oh, you might want to flip it over first.
Yeah,
so you can
I saw
see
that
where
little nipple right there. Yeah, a little bit right there.
Definitely, I think putting the hole in there definitely made a little bit of a difference to give you a little bit better guide. It's like scraping teeth from the dentist office, practically.
Yeah, clean your teeth, baby. Go Hawks. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Check this out. You guys finally get to see me work.
This is definitely a team effort right here, applying this, and especially when we get to the back panel, because we will be doing that tonight. We'll do an unveiling video shortly, but we wanted to do a little, blurb about what we're doing. So you can see some of the process of this. Oh yeah, you can see this. And then we'll just clean it up with the Dremel from the other side. It kind of creates a nice bevel.
Away, best I can. I'm doing the best I can. Don't go away.
We just have to be careful not to let you drill into the table again.
Yeah, hey, I had to leave my mark.
You did leave your mark. Okay. So it looks like your high side right here is going to be right in here.
Yeah, right here. Almost looks like more of a square than a circle, don't it?
Yeah.
What's the button? Oh, it's the same. Yeah, it's a little small.
Okay, so it looks like your X is, you just got a lot more on this side, right, this edge here. So if you want, we can try to do a little Dremel with it. Okay, I just did some shit. Okay. That was not a very good camera roll right there. I told you.
Best I can. Go away. Doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can.
What I would do maybe is turn it around more so that you're actually pulling this, your blade's going inward instead of outward. I think that's causing your problem. So if you turn it a little bit more.
Let me see what I got.
Let's turn it more like this, and now run your blade around. Because then your blades running on the inside is a little easier.
Man, I wish we had the hole punch. No, it's got to be done from this side.
All right, well, let's go ahead and let me get in there with the Dremel. We'll switch to a little bit of hands and see, because I got a little bit. I think that's how I dressed up the other one from the other side, and then that way you can trim off the excess with the knife. Yeah, that's pretty close. So let me go ahead.
Getting close. We just have to get some more right there.
Yeah, let me try
go
with
for
the
it.
Dremel from. Here, I'm gonna let you go ahead and switch over so we can.
Hey, what's happening? And there's Jazzy. Say hi, baby. High five. All right.
So we're going to be using a nice little
Dremel
tip. This should allow us to get a little bit better control in here. What I'm doing is what I'm trying to do is let it sit on the edge of the table and glide against it. This is probably sounding really good video-wise, you know?
The line. Yeah. Hey, we're dealing with it. It's not that bad, though.
We haven't listened to it.
No.
This does do pretty good zoom also. If you want to pull out and do more of a zoom. Because all you do is touch that one on there. and it zooms in. You can actually, if you hold your finger on it, you can zoom in and out.
Yeah, we definitely, I think we would have had a home run if we would have had a hole punch here. I think the hole punch would have been so much easier. So next time I will definitely do it with the hole punch. But we're making do with what we have, and so
This should fit on there. So let's see how this fits. And that's a perfect lineup. So the fun part is going to be attaching this, because we have to do this in a couple different manners. First, we're having a wrap over on the top. So I'm trying to figure out how we want to do this. We're going to cut the edge right up at here, but we're going to have a... we'll just cut it here. We're just going to wrap it up to here, and then we'll cut the edge off there, because that's going to be the side panel. So we'll be fine on that part.
Roger that.
So I think we're good on this aspect of it. My only concern is the edges. Getting this glue right up to the edges.
Yeah.
So
We'll figure it out.
we'll go ahead and end this for right now, and we'll come back once this is attached and we start that. And when we do the back panel, I think we'll probably do a video on that.
All right, roger that. Sounds good. We'll see you
All right,
guys
so
next
we'll
time.
see you guys next
Go
time.
Hawks!